Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Nigeria's most healthy and special delicacy seafood, Cuisine, Ponmo Ontherun. And I am your girl, your pal, your darling, your bestie. And you know guys, your number one food spotter, yes. And your girl, let's have each of life. So guys, you know that feeling when you are craving something different, you know, when your taste buds, when you know that you need something unique, something you not had before. So you get what I'm saying, right? So guys, I'm in that mood today. Yes, I'm in that mood today. I am craving, I want something that will elevate my, you know, everything. You know what I'm saying, guys? I know I'm exaggerating, but I know I'm saying I want something that is going to give me a different feeling from the normal dishes we always had. So guys, this is what I'll be doing. I know that I'm your favorite food spotter, yes. I know I spot food a lot, but today guys, I want food to spot me. You know what I'm saying? Instead of me spotting food to spot me, guys. Alright, so I'll be taking a stroll around Ikperu, guys. I'm walking around Ikperu. I'm trying to locate that place that will give me the, you know, what I want, guys. So you guys should follow me and let's stroll around Ikperu. And guys, definitely that food will spot me. I'm sure it will spot me. So let's go, guys. Let's get what we elevate our taste bud, guys. Let's go. Guys, I'm still on the food hunt. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted, but I will not be tired. You know, this food I have to try that something new, guys. Until we find that spot, we are not tired. We are still going, guys. So let's go. Go shower. Yes. Mommy, you join kilo leo. Is that correct? What? Kilo means it? What I am. Wow. Guys, I think I found that different thing. I just said this is what I am. I've not had it before. I don't know what it is. You said it's correct. It's an Ijebu special dish. If I'm right. And mom, if you don't get Ijebu, yeah, guys, it's Ijebu special delicacy. So guys, I think I found my bus stop. The food actually if you watch the video very well, you see that the spot actually found me. It drew me closer. So guys, I think this is my stop. I can't go without telling that I have to try this. It's correct.
you can see, I just had a full bowl of ikokore and eba. So guys, I'm filled up, guys. I'm filled up to the neck, guys. So I have to for like 30 minutes so the food can settle in, you know, right? So guys, I enjoyed every bit of it. Every bite was magical. I know you guys say I fantasize to the Lord, I exaggerate. Guys, I'm not exaggerating. I know I love food, but seriously, I really love this. Every bite was every. Yes, that's the every. Alright guys, let me wrap up this video so I can relax. You know? Alright guys, so follow us, guys. Subscribe on our channel, guys. Subscribe and comment down below in the comment section at Ponmo Ontherun. And guys, follow us on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. We are on all social networks, guys. We are everywhere. Go and follow us, guys. Till we meet next in the next videos. I remain your girl, your pal, your #1 food spotter, and your girl with Sabi Chef Life, Murayo. Bye guys.